A journey in the heart of Croatia with the Croatian National Tourist Board.
There is a great tradition of Croatian art. We have so much surprises for everyone.
Our forefathers had enough sense to keep everything intact, and you can see how they spared all they could from Roman times so we can enjoy it today.
You find so many undiscovered things.
And so many monuments. You must feel something inside.
The tradition of theatre in Dubrovnik goes back centuries. Were Dubrovnik not such an inspiration for everybody, I wouldn't live here.
Our art scene is very, very active. It's very lively. I think they're amazed when they see this.
Something goes on year-round. It never stops. It's like one big festival throughout the year.
You'll remember this for the whole of your life.